5 minutes every morning. That's all it takes to stay ahead hundreds of applicants. I have spent entire days scrolling job boards and getting nowhere. Then I realized job searching isn't about hours, and it's about precision. So I built an AI agent that finds exactly what I'm looking for. Here's exactly what I do. I wake up, grab my coffee, and run my agent. In seconds, it pulls a list of jobs that actually match my skills and goals. Step 1, review the matches. Step 2, pick 1 or 2 to apply to. Step 3, customize and send. That's it, 5 minutes. No more feeling like I'm throwing applications into a black hole. I run it as many times as I want throughout the day. Some days I run it twice, morning and evening. Other days, just once. The key is consistency over volume. This entire system is in my Headhunter AI Agent playbook. It shows you exactly how to build your agent, what prompts to use, and how to run it daily. Download the playbook today and stop wasting hours on job searching. Link is in the description. Let's get you ahead of the competition.